Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Nong ay katian ka BJP hamighalya uba marihom kharkrang. Ulaong ba Kyrshan ya kada Jingmut ba Jingdon jong kispa ka Pynlong ka Jylla kum ka Jylla bajur ki kam Awria. Ulaong ba Jingbu e kispa kamut ba Jylla kandong ka jaka Awria namar ha Jylla ru kidon kinong khemet hendrai kimwalam syakata. Kani ka Jingkran ka de hadian ba MLA kandong kram ubadiru president ka VP uba adan malabasaymat ulagan tho e ka sarkar ba Jingtmu ka sarkar Jingwanrah e ka Taj Resort and Spa Jingwanrah e ki kam Awria ha Jylla.
Khasi ji khamtam ki samla kan thei bakini le trikam ban pin khammet igi bri bonabar naga jing khammet kala ban poi shi ki kam ge basniu bat suki le se ka ri gi kan sakala long mo ke sawanra lani pensionor ya kata ka sex industry ka ban long ko bolong ki wei pat ki ri ha ka perthei ka ban wan pa ka jing tim yingi pom ga jai men ri
No, I don't subscribe to that view. I don't subscribe to that view. In fact, a lot of places we have spas and all. Doesn't mean that becomes turn to prostitution then. I mean that. In fact, here also we have a lot of these local people who give massage and all. Are they inborn prostitution? No. So I mean that is it's gone to no. I don't subscribe to that view.